Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. So before I get into it, let me just apologize if you want to see some fruit fly, a fly running at the camera, aka sour fly. I just feel as if I feel them time now, because normally when I have them stuff here out, them not take it or whatever, but I have some sweet pepper seed that dry, and every time I move, like them just fly up. Also, another apology for missing Vlogmas 2 days now. I'm really sorry guys. I'm trying my best. As you noticed, I was consistent from Vlogmas start. I think I've been doing such a wonderful job, but then I get sick guys. I have flu again and it is unacceptable. I feel like my lip balm, my lip feels so dry, so I need to strengthen my immune system some more, even though I really couldn't escape it this time around. So my mommy machine now work and I gotta go see her wash, and me just without even thinking about it, me just start help her. Me start rinse and something, and you know when you rinse out a bath, you gonna get wet up. That happened. Me end up did hang out the clothes, rinse the clothes and hang them out, and me did still have on the wet dress, and it did end up dry on me and me just get sick. So that happened. May I fight it though, may I fight it with homemade stuff from the last time I made honey and garlic, and I've been taking that and just don't want to take any pill nor them something there. I want like natural remedy. So that's what I've been doing. The headache is gone. I missed Vlogmas because I had a very bad headache. Like when I cough, my head didn't hurt me because it was like a hefty cough then. So hence why I not even bother to record. But the other day when I missed Vlogmas, it was because of the editing. I did finish edit late. I say, you know what, let me just hold it back. How much pay for this? I say, no, let me just hold it back. Sorry. Okay, I say, let me hold it back because by the time if you put it up, it's going to be late. But guys, I'm still going to continue to be consistent because I feel as if I'm doing such a good job with posting, Vlogmas or not. So, I could just continue on this part. Alright, we're gonna do some unboxing. The air fryer, I don't remember sorry, I don't remember who bought it from the wedding registry. I think we did big enough already, but if you're watching this, if you bought this from the registry and you're watching, thank you so much. I really and truly appreciate it. This is the first air fryer when I ever own. This is it. A little bit hefty, and I want to do my first meal in it today now. First I come and steak, something quick and easy. Woo! So pretty. Sorry. Whew. Also, sorry if I cough so much in the video. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to always edit it out. Because some days when I record, because it feels so natural, I'm not really trouble the editing. I just put it up. But yeah, see it here. It's very nice. I know that I need to go to the nail tech. That's not important. When I have time, I'll go. Hold on. I can't really send me couch floor again. So this is the part where you put your food. It's 390 Fahrenheit. And that F stand for no Fahrenheit. So you can do fries, steak, fish, muffin. Whew, guys. I don't know how me manage. Why me I tell her? You know what? I will put some alcohol on this so me not contaminate the whole place. Alright. I don't want to keep on touch up the things and then I don't remember so I touch it. So back to the air fryer. So the brand is Ninja and it looks like this. Pretty simple, guys. You know, I don't know how to use it, but I have some Irish potato and I want to do them for dinner. I did have my mind on baked bean and saltfish with the air fried potato, but babe did do baked bean for breakfast. If me didn't know, say I do it, I just smell something I fry up when I run a room. Mother tell him say, no worry, because I want to do the baked bean for dinner. And him not do it like how I did a plan for do it for dinner. Also update, the house is fully decorated, clean. My room, everything is completed. I just did not give you guys a walkthrough video. I read all the comments with the table. Una says side A, I said side B, and I feel as if majority of Una says side A, and then some people say if just take off 2, so they chose side B, but them say if you take out 2 since as the amount of chair around the table, and that's the one I did. So if you did say that, thank you so much. That's what I did. I really wanted the table mat to be around the table. I know that it's not necessary. I know when you eat, you put it out. But we sit around our table a lot. Like, guys, the things that in the house, we not just look on them. We use them up. We make use of them. And we sit around the table a lot. We eat around the table a lot. I put the 2 underneath. I'm gonna give you a walkthrough video. I might just get this thing up and running for breakfast tomorrow, and then I don't know, that would be another content. But I'm really excited to use it. I love how big it is. I think this can hold 1 chicken. Talking about chicken, babe, you take out the chicken out of your car? You have to go for them for me. Thank you. I lucky things that me talk to you know. I might not cook anything tonight. I'll just add up that and do this tomorrow morning. So you know what, let me come out of the kitchen. So that's the air fryer. Tomorrow we'll cook something in it for breakfast. Can probably do some, what do you call that, hash brown, whatever it is, or whatever I call it, in it tomorrow. I'm going to show now when I get done in the house. Alright, so I'm going to put up the air fryer, but I'm grateful for it. So it's power on. Thank you. So them chicken here, I got from Lucy's aunt. I mean, I tell you, our chicken them eat so good. Like when I was younger, I mean, used to hear me when I said, that chicken here eat good, hear me. Like, what the difference between chicken, even with water. Me used to always hear my mother say, the water here heavy, the water here dizzy. I'm used to say, water no water. But when I grew up, and then me start to say same thing what my mother did I say. Because listen, every water when me drink have a different taste to me. See this? Big and nice. The chicken eat real nice. Like you can tell say them feed the chicken like things what chicken must eat. Let me show you guys what I did in the house. Come. This is it, mind you, me not move nothing. Me just a show another living area like what it is. But you know we live in here, so certain stuff I got out of place. You might not see it on camera, but me know what out of place. Anyways, this is it. I just put out 4. And this is how I'm leaving it. Thank you guys for the opinions, the suggestions. Really appreciate them. But yeah, these are the final thing. Now trouble nothing more in here. And then these, I put the extra 2 underneath that. So whenever nobody come over, them can just grab one or use what is there on the table. But that's it. I think the bouquet on the table is such a brilliant idea. Somebody mentioned to me that I was supposed to elevate the plant in the comment section, and I totally agree. Me did even elevate it before I read the comment. So big up you who said that. So it's now elevated. I ordered two the pot, what them call it, the boho looking pot, whatever it's called, to put that one in and the one in my room. And then in regards to the sofa, it did look so bland to me, so I just put back the black and then this white one right here, and I think it looks good now. So I'm gonna just leave it as is. I don't want too much of going in here. The green is different, to be honest. I thought it would have give me like a pop, but it not give me what I think it did forgive, but I'm okay with it. I just make it stay. I'm contented with it. Yeah, it's simple and alright. So that's that. And then the black one did always in the sofa, so I just put it back. The plant that was on the table, let me show you where I put it. Oh no, I did have the little fake orchid plant right here, so, and I adapted it so now, and I love it. I'm okay with it. You see the little fruit fly? I'm sick of them anyways. And see the air fryer here properly. And then this is the idea that I had for the boxes. So I don't know it's spelled joy, but I just turn it around when I can see the snowflake. Wait, I need to organize it properly, but this is what I did. Just put some fairy lights in it, and I think it looks very good right under, turn on the light now, under this. I did a plan to put some fairy lights on this, but I don't think it's necessary. In my bedroom, no, this is not one of them aesthetically pleasing video there. As me telling you, we live in the house. You know, when I go see things here and there, like these stuff that I took down, the curtain them, they're right here, so I'm going to wash them tomorrow. I know I probably can't see, but may I show you without the light, because I have this beautiful light behind the bed and I just love it so much. And then something always dip on the bed for pack away. Some clothes, because I always a wash. But the room looks like this. Now I'm going to go in depth with it. It's my personal space. I'm just showing you the layout of how I have it. So this is it, guys. The green cushion covers, the white sheet, this brown nut ball, and then the throw to match. That's all for the bed, guys. Pretty simple. And then in the corner, you know, the plant and the mirror. The plant, may I get a basket for it. I think I did I tell you earlier in the vlog. A brown one, like some boho looking basket thingy, but just for tying back with the cushion, the nut cushion that is on the bed. So that's that. I did a little decor thingy in the bathroom, nothing too crazy. Me know said this did want another one for balance it out in the bathroom, but me put it over the shower. This shower caddy was on my wedding registry, so I just split it up and put two right here, so you know, just to add to the wall because it was so bare. These, hold on, these the over here, so guys could make something drop out of the mirror. Anyways, that right there, so, and then the rest of them, no, this wasn't a part of it. This did there so a long time, but this was a part of it. I just put it here so to put the toothbrush and whatever in it. And oh no, the green curtain up. I think it's too short, but I like it. Also, the rest of them in the shower. See it here. So I split it up. This should have the out there, so or all of them they should have the in here, so. But as me say, split them up. So that's that, guys. That's that. But okay, beautiful people, that is it. It's not a house tour. I'm just showing you all of the little stuff them what I'm doing at the house, since you guys, you know, been on the journey with me. But that's it for like cleaning up and stuff like that. Everything is organized, is in place. I'm happy, I'm contented, and I just feel at peace and relaxed and To God be the glory. That's it, guys. I'm so happy that I got all of this cleaning done before Christmas, because I just love to enjoy, you know, the house being clean and stuff like that before the whole hustle come in of cooking and, you know, moving around in the kitchen. So that's it, beautiful people. Comment and let me know what you guys think. I feel good about it, you know, in a perfect, but I'm contented with the things that I have, the things that I accumulated over the years, and those are just the stuff that I use back, and yeah, plus the other stuff them that I got from Timu. So yeah, I just have to give God all the praises and the glory, not only because the house is, you know, clean and fresh and decorated, but because I was able to do it. Hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys got done with cleaning and just relax now and you know, prepare for cook on Christmas Day or whatever I'm gonna do. I mean, every year I'm gonna always be the same. So if you're not cook this year, still don't feel no way. If a somebody house you go eat, still not feel no way. If a church you go end up go, still not feel no way. Because every year just can't be the same. And whatever God have in store for me to do, that's what I'm gonna do. So just make God lead, you know, and do what you have to do. Okay?